Na.
Mr. Chairman, I made the motion duly seconded, Mr. Chairman.
Kasi nga kung
To subpoena, Mr. Chairman, today, Mr. Chairman, I'm asking it today because they said
if that will help us, okay. Any second?
Second, it was already seconded, Mr.
Oh, there's a motion and the second, the motion is approved. Then let's
Thank you,
continue
Mr.
with the questioning.
Mr. Chair, sir, kasi yung 5 minutes ko, maraming sumingit. Last na lang, isa lang.
Hindi, kasi
maiksi.
hindi naman kakaano itong mga kasama natin.
With the permission of Senator Tulfo. Senator Tulfo, maiksi lang, ha?
Di ba, Mr.
Kasi
Chair?
sabi ng, Mr. Chair, sabi ng kuwa,
Teka muna, with the permission of Senator Tulfo.
okay lang?
Clarification, Mr. Chair. Akala ko po ako yung
O nga, kayo na po ang
ni
susunod.
Senator
Kaya lang, ang
Rosa.
daming ayaw pang bumitaw. Wala
Hindi,
tayong-
Hindi, naghihintay naman po
Last na
ako.
to, last.
Tinatanong ko lang po yung
Last.
sequence.
Then
Salamat,
last,
Mr.
and then
Chair.
Senator Risa.
Salamat, Mr. Chair.
Pagkatapos wala na Senator Amy, Senator Rapi.
Yeah.
Sandali lang, ikaw na.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, considering that this representation is part of the leadership,
Okay.
Priority,
we find out,
priority.
Okay, okay.
the list of...
Last question, then Senator Risa. Wala na si Senator Marcos, Senator Joel, Senator Rapi, Senator Robin, magkano ka? Senator Robin. And then Senator Mark. Okay, in that order.
Thank you, Mr.
Proceed,
Chair.
sir. And it's the turn of our very forgiving majority leader na kanina po ay talagang nagparaya na. Kasi mabuti naman ang kanyang puso. Senator Joel.
Napakabait po ng chairman natin, pero yung buong buhay ko dito sa Senado, halos isang dekada na, ngayon ko lang na-experience na pag nasa leadership ka, kailangan mong magparaya at maghintay. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, wala
So it's now the turn of Senator Rapi Tulfo.
With the permission of Senator Rafi Anois, he wants to ask a lot of questions. With the permission, pumayag na.
22?
22 million, how
Pwede
many
pa
megawatts?
natin pakita yung screen. Kami hindi nakakaalam ng kotse na hindi dahil malaman kung ano yung pinagsasabi ninyo. Kayo siguro nagkakaintindihan kayo pero kami ni Senator Erwin hindi kami masyadong... Para malaman namin ano ba itsura ng pinag-uusapan
Maybach is
natin.
Mercedes, right? Oh, ilan ang Maybach mo?